to At Home with Tres Marias. In this episode, I am going to show you how to bake cinnamon rolls. In this recipe, I'm going to use quick, fast action or instant yeast. You just need to mix all the ingredients. But if you are using dry yeast, you will need to proof the yeast first. Small bowl, you can combine warm water, 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar, sprinkle the yeast over the top and let it sit for about 5 minutes. So first, I'm going to add at least 2 cups of plain flour. In our mixer, a 1/4 cup of sugar, have a teaspoon of salt, and 2 1/4 teaspoon of our yeast. Now we can add all the wet ingredients. So I have 1 egg. Then let's add in 1 cup of warm milk, then we will slowly add in the rest of the flour. About a teaspoon of vanilla, and at this point we can add in the rest of the flour. You can mix the dough for about 5 to 10 minutes until it is smooth. And if you don't have a stand mixer, you can just use your hand and knead the dough. To add 1/4 cup of soft butter. The dough is not ready yet, but I'm going to show you how to knead it, so I'm going to use my hands. It's nearly smooth, see? So in 10 minutes this will be done. This bowl is slightly greased with oil. I will cover it and let it rest for at least 2 to 3 hours. After 2 hours, this is our dough. Divide the dough into 2 parts. I have here 3/4 cup of dark brown sugar, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. I have 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 1.5 tablespoons of cinnamon. I'm going to apply a little bit of butter all over the dough. And then I'm going to add the remaining butter. Then we'll just need to spread it in the dough. See? That's beautiful. Let it set for another 2 hours before baking. So these are the cinnamon rolls. After 2 hours, we'll brush it with melted butter. Now the cinnamon rolls are ready. We're going to bake it in the preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes. This is our freshly baked cinnamon rolls. It smells so delicious, guys. For the frosting, we have a cup and a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. And we have here 3 to 4 tablespoons of warm milk. We'll add in a little bit of vanilla extract. And let's add in a tablespoon of butter. Let's give it a mix. The consistency of the frosting, and we're going to add in 1/4 cup of cream cheese. This is spreadable cheese. Since I like cheese very much, I like them on top of the cinnamon rolls before I pour in the glaze. So you can, if you don't want your glaze too runny, you can reduce your milk. Maybe use 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk should be enough. And you could add more cream cheese. Top it up with some almond nuts. For more videos, please like and subscribe.